Spittlebug nymphs are the young stages of spittlebugs, also known as spittlebugs or froghoppers. They are insects that feed on plant sap and are commonly found in gardens and landscapes. Spittlebug nymphs are typically small, ranging in size from 3 to 6 millimeters, and are often yellowish-green in color. These insects are also known for their unique behavior of secreting a sticky, frothy substance called spittle, or cuckoo spit, which they use for protection and to prevent water loss. The spittle is produced by the nymphs and is often seen as a white, foamy mass on plants. In winter, the adult froghopper will lay around 100 to 200 eggs on a plant, which then hatch in the spring. After emerging from the egg, the baby froghopper produces and stays inside its bubble of cuckoo spit for a couple of weeks. Froghoppers are named for their remarkable ability to jump long distances, similar to frogs. They have powerful hind legs that enable them to leap over 70 times their own body length in a single bound.